other great information.
Well, of course, I don't have any report related to qualifying, but since we last met, we opened the South Georgia office for Obama, and we had an absolutely excellent turnout. Wouldn't you agree? And as you all well aware, Gretchen and I just returned from the Democratic Convention, and we had a fabulous time. It was absolutely wonderful. We're pumped up, we're fired up, and we're ready to go. But on a personal level, I'm just a little concerned about what I am feeling about the possibility voter apathy will influence the outcome of the election. So I think we need to do all that we can to increase voter turnout. Because if we don't do all we can to increase voter turnout, I think we're complicit. We're complicit in this whole voter apathy situation. Obama for America, the South Georgia office, we are still in need of volunteers. What I mean by volunteers, we need people to call, make phone calls, participate in voter registration. Before you leave here today, I'm going to have a sign-in sheet. And if you can just leave your name and number, we can contact you. The office is not open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but we need volunteers. And we only have a few days left before the election. And we don't want to lose a very important election, not because we don't have Democrats who are excited, but we don't have enough people who are willing to come out and vote. In 2008, there was more of an excitement, there was more of an enthusiasm, and my hope and prayer is that what I'm witnessing perhaps will not translate to people not coming out and voting. But we have to do all that we can to make certain that people come out and vote. So will you please help me? Okay, you know what, Gretchen, we probably need to do the thing that we learn at the DNC all the time. You ready? Fired up! Fired up! Fired up! All right, let's go.